Altium 365 allows you to manage components and projects, enabling users to conveniently connect and collaborate when designing an electronic product. Using an Altium 365 workspace, you can coordinate the component layout and board outline elements, allowing MCAD users to work in the context of the enclosure. The collaboration process is simplified by removing the need to render intermediate files, eliminating lengthy file transfers. Go to the Panel section in the bottom right corner and select the MCAD CoDesigner panel. The panel allows you to quickly transfer your printed circuit board to the MCAD engineer for approval using the Push and Share button. Pushing your design allows you to comment or add a description of changes for traceability. Click the Post button. In the window that opens, specify the email address of the MCAD user. The user will receive a notification that the project has been sent. Once the MCAD tool is open, you can launch the Altium CoDesigner plugin. The user can then sign into their Altium 365 account to pull the project from the workspace. The MCAD user can pull any project that has been pushed to the workspace. The PCB design data is automatically translated to a native format for the MCAD tool. The loading time of a PCB depends on the complexity. You can speed up transfer by disabling copper geometry modeling. MCAD users can view the project and make necessary changes in the context of the enclosure. After changes are made, the MCAD user pushes the data using the MCAD CoDesigner plugin. Describe your changes in the comments and click the Post button. The ECAD user receives a message that is displayed in the MCAD CoDesigner panel. Click the View Changes button to preview changes. Lastly, select desired changes and deselect any changes that you do not want to apply. Click the Apply button to pull the desired data from the workspace.